Hi, everybody. I hope you are all well. So, I am still waiting for our new place to become available. However, I thought that perhaps this was actually a very good opportunity to stop for a moment and look back at what we have done. Because if you've been here for a while, I think you might be surprised by how much we have actually made. So hold tight. It's going to be quite a journey, okay? So, over the past couple of years, we have painted hundreds of pieces together, literally 500 in total. That's a lot. So, when I look at all of these works together, there is something that becomes very obvious to me. They are not perfect, far from it. Actually, I don't even call them paintings, they are simply studies, exercises, practice, or ways to discover my artistic voice. There are some here that I actually love and some that I don't at all. There are things that worked and others that quite didn't. There are experiments that went somewhere and others that went absolutely nowhere. Some of them I would do completely differently today. And that's exactly the point, because if you put all of them together, something becomes undeniable. We made them. We actually made them. And I think sometimes we underestimate what that means, because it's very easy to think that we need to be ready before we begin. We need to know what we are doing. We need to have the right materials. We have to have the right space. We need to have the right amount of time, some kind of talent, and perhaps most importantly, we often think that we need to be already good at it. No, no, no. That's not how any of this works, because you become better by doing. You become ready by doing. We become ourselves by doing. You find your voice by experimenting. You discover what you like by making things, and occasionally, even things that you don't like. And you learn what you're capable of by occasionally doing something you thought that you simply couldn't. That's what I see when I look at these compositions. I don't just see paintings, I see process, I see a trajectory, I see ourselves trying things, I see mistakes, I see repetition, I see progress, and I see us gradually becoming more comfortable with the idea that we are actually allowed to call ourselves artists. And perhaps that's the most important thing that we've done here, not creating a collection of perfect paintings, but creating the habit of creating. Because there is something else I've been thinking about recently. How many times have we told ourselves that it's too late to start anything? Maybe you have had that thought. I have many times. Okay. We often think, I should have started this 2 years ago. And then 2 years pass and we think exactly the same thing again. We should have started this 2 years ago. And suddenly we have lost another couple of years. But imagine if instead of thinking that way, we simply started. The universe is made of possibilities. Maybe 2 years from now, we will not be brilliant. Maybe we won't have achieved anything we imagined, but we will have 2 years of experience that we wouldn't have otherwise. We will have something. And that's what I think this community has taught me. We didn't wait until everything was perfect. We started and then we kept going. Some of the things that we made were good, some weren't, but none of that changes the fact that we made them. And I think that's worth celebrating because ultimately, we may not know where all these things are going. Maybe some will end up in galleries. Maybe some will be sold. Maybe some will stay in our homes. Maybe some will be gifted. Others will be destroyed. Others will eventually disappear into a drawer somewhere. And honestly, that's all okay. Their destination isn't really the most important part. What matters is that we gave ourselves the opportunity to make them. They wouldn't exist if it weren't for our decision to make them. We said, let's see what happens. And then we found out. And that's what art can give us. Not necessarily a career or recognition or something that other people will admire. Sometimes it simply gives us evidence that we were here, that we tried something, that we learned something, that we changed along the way, and that we found something about ourselves. And looking at this collection now, I can see that I have changed. I hope you have also. So I would like to thank you once again, especially those of you who have been here for a long time. You are the ones who keep this community alive by watching, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing, recommending. Thank you so very much. And I also would like to thank each one of you who are still painting, still experimenting, and still practicing even when you don't have an extra push, be it from me or anyone else. Okay. So today I will leave you with this reflection. We don't need perfect conditions to begin. We don't need to know exactly what the result will be. We just need to give ourselves the chance. And then one day we can look back and realize, look at what we made. As always, keep on practicing and thank you for joining us.